Puppies! You guys eat in peace now. What's up, Goofy? Hey, there's Spot. Hey, Spot, you're a chair puppy. These puppies got big. They're long-legged. That's the biggest one. It's Goofy. Oh, Goofy. Hey, there's Whitey. Hey, Whitey. Hey, come on, get up in the chair, Whitey. Hey, boy. How you doing? Yeah. Oh, it's starting to rain out here. Oh, no. Kind of crappy looking. I gotta go slow. What are you doing, Lemonhead? Lemonhead hanging with the puppies. Hey, who's over there? Zoom in. I see you eating that food. You eating that food too? I see you eating that food. Alright. Go take a tour of the other dogs real quick. See how they doing. Hey, stud. Good boy. Hey, Chubby. Hey, Bandit. There's Tippy and Pretty Girl. They bunker down. Here's Babe and Squeak. Oh, we got Coco back. Coco's the one that looks all brown. And then we got, oh, that's little girl. Hey, little girl. She's so cute. Hope it don't. Come here, guys. I gotta get you guys. Little girl, so cute. Come here, little girl. Come here. I don't want to drop this tablet. Come on now. Come on, fatty. Come on, fatty. Gotta get you. You ain't never seen one of these, huh? There you are, little. Look at that cute thing. I don't think there's anything in there, fatty. What are you doing, Go-Go? Oh, who's the cutest? You're the cutest. You're pretty cute too. All right, come on, you guys get down. Ugh. Oh, good. I throw up my back with that one. Back it up. What are you two doing? Oh, yeah. I see you. There you are. Yeah. Hey. What's up with you, Blondie? Hey, what's up with you, sissy? Yeah. I think it's been a while since I posted a doggy video. Hey, what's up, Joe? Hey, Joe. Hey, what's up with you, Moon? Yeah, this is another one. This is Fred. He didn't have a name. Well, he's a cute little puppy. Or he's not a puppy, really. He's like 2 or something, I think. Yeah, I see you. You don't know what that is. Here's a puppy. That's Checkers from the litter, between the last litter. That's Ivy over there. I hear you. Excuse me? Woo to you too. Say goodbye, puppies. I'll zoom in on it. Woof. Hey, Abby. You guys got out today, huh? So Mama told me. Well, you got that little thing right there. Oh, that's how you did it too. Your little paw. Look at your little paw. Yeah, give your paw. Good job. I got both paws now. Look at that. You're a jailbreaker, ain't you? Alright, it's starting to rain out here. I got to get in the house and prepare to knead it up. Which I don't really know what that means. I ain't never been able to get the neat bucks. I got the EBT bucks, but I don't think it's the same thing. You gotta be like schizophrenic or something to get the neat bucks. I don't get it. Like, or maybe some autism spectrum or something. I can't seem to be schizophrenic and autistic, but there's something wrong with me. That's what the world says. What am I supposed to do about that? I don't know. I guess I'm mad about that or something. I don't know. Oh, yeah, y'all ain't supposed to be looking at me because I ain't got no teeth in. So don't pay attention to my beautiful face. Hey, there's RC. Hey, RC. Yeah, it's all me now. I got it all figured out. Look at this. This is how you cam. I'm live mobile camming. Oh, look at that. That's so cool. Woo. Hey, there's a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take my ass up here. I could have done without cursing, I guess, but this donkey got to go upstairs. No, oh, that's a horse. Of course. Uh-oh. Dun, 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 dun. That's where I parked my ass. No trespassing. I even cleaned my room today. Look at that shit. Well, you can see the floor. I just zoom in on the floor. Boom. Watch this. I will step on the floor, too. It's going to be awesome. Watch this. Panoramic view. Oh, snap. There's all my crap. Some more crap. There's Mr. PewDiePie, man. Fuck him. I mean, public service announcement. I'm sorry for Ricky cursing. He can be a complete jackhole sometimes. But I forgive him because He-Man Ninja Jesus is all about love, forgiveness, and doing the right thing for the right reason. Please don't look too badly on He-Man Ninja Ricky Jesus, because he is my alter ego, the one that allows me to escape this plastic flesh. And I help him make videos. We make videos, that's all we do. We take care of dogs, and we try not to die. Well, thank you, He-Man Ninja Jesus. That was kind of sad. Don't question it. Remember, breed lives matter too. Alpha may have it that way.